It was during my residency that I started to think that research might be a substantial component of my career. While I continued to see patients get better, I also saw a lot of patients who didn't get better. We didn't really understand why the treatments worked when they worked and why they failed when they failed. And it also became clear that we really had such meager understanding of what caused psychiatric illnesses in the first place. I saw research as a way of trying to better understand what my patients were going through. I actually began my career with an interest in genetics. We knew that whatever caused psychiatric disorders, that a lot of them had a substantial component that was inherited. We knew that they ran in families. In my laboratory, we're working with research participants from large families aimed at getting a better understanding of how genes actually lead to mental illness later in life. And the idea here is that if we can capture some aspect of the illness the person has, say bipolar disorder, in the petri dish in the lab, and see how it differs from cells that come from people without the disorder, then we have a handle that we can use to screen different treatments and see if we can find out a way to actually correct the underlying problem. The Brain and Behavior Research Foundation Colvin Prize is easily the greatest honor I've received in my career. It has a special meaning for me because the BBRF was actually the first organization to support my research. I can look at the BBRF as a supporter of what has been, I think, a very exciting body of research to which I've only contributed a small part.